In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own Minecraft server in just 5 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So to get your own server, go to event.host on your browser. Over here, press Game Servers, then Java Edition or Bedrock Edition. I'll choose the Java Edition. And then choose whatever plan you like. For example, I'll choose the Grass plan. And then press Order Now. And after that, if you are from another country except India, press on the INR and change your currency to US dollars. If you're Indian, just keep it as INR. Then press Add to Cart. After pressing Add to Cart, press I agree to the terms and services, then Checkout. After pressing Checkout, you have two options, either pay by PayPal or UPI. If you're choosing your currency as INR, use UPI. If you're choosing your currency as US dollars, use PayPal. As I've chosen INR, I'm choosing UPI. Then Pay Now. As you can see, I paid just now. It's showing processing your payment. Payment successful. As you can see, I've paid. Let me go to my email. Over here, as you can see, it shows invoice paid and service activated, server also installed. And click on the server installed email. Then press login and begin using. So as you can see, I've logged in and my grass plan is over here. I'll just click on this. And to play in your Minecraft server, just click on this address to copy your Minecraft IP. And if you want to start your server, over here. If you want to restart, it's over here, and stop is here. And if you want to install plugins, go to More, Plugin Installer. You can install any plugin just by clicking Install over here. And there are many more other features which will be covered in my other videos. So yeah, that's it for this video. And the links are all in the description, Discord, website, billing and everything. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.